Hello everyone. In our previous video, we had seen how to calculate the statistical data in Excel using the data analysis tab or the add-in which is given in Excel. Today we are going to use the same add-in to make a histogram for the set of results which we have. So here again, just to say, Excel allows you to actually create your own histogram directly using the charts. So there is a chart option from where you can use the histogram option and create a chart. So histogram is nothing but we'd be having the frequency distribution of our values, right? If I use this, this is how the chart is created. So this is the histogram chart, which is available in default by Excel. Now there is another option in which you can do a much better analysis of the data. So that is available through the data analysis add-in, which is not enabled by default in Excel. So to enable that, we have to go to File, we have to go to Options, then we have to go to Add-ins, go to Excel add-ins, and enable analysis toolbar. So once that is there, you can see a data analysis tab which is visible in your data toolbar or data ribbon as such. So when I click this, I'll get of course a lot of options regarding data, histogram being one. Now histogram, typically we have, as we can see a lot of values which are appearing. So as I have selected these values here, the minimum is 28 and maximum is 38. So what we'll do, we'll have the values separated in a group of two. So this is what the data analysis or the histogram add-in calls as bin range. So this needs to be defined first. So we'll define this first and again use this particular add-in. So I'll type here bin range, and since our data starts from 28, I'll take it from 26. So 26, 28, 30 and so on. So I'll take it up to about 40 since our maximum data is 39, or we'll take it up to 40. So when I select this, this is called as a bin range. I'll again go to this data analysis. I'll click histogram. I'll select the input range, which are my results, and I'll also select the bin range, which I've defined here as starting from 26 to 42. I'll click chart output, and I click OK. Now we'll see how this chart is different from Excel chart. Here we see the histogram being made. This is the frequency which is visible. I'll zoom this a bit so everybody can see. So as we can see, between 26 and 28 is 0 results. 28 to 30 also there are about 5 results. 30 to 32 5 results. 32. So this is the sort of frequency distribution that this add-in gives you, which is slightly different from what is directly available in Excel charts. So this is how we create histogram using the data analysis tab. So that's it for today. Thanks.